Hi, this is a wig. I put it on because I thought it would look cool in this video. And today I'm gonna show you how to style it. This is what I call the Cleopatra bob. It's got a very strong kind of a presence. It's not one of those hairstyles that you're going to go around feeling dainty in. It's one of those ones that you're going to feel like a boss woman in. Of course, right now it's looking a bit ratchet because I didn't do anything to it. If you have this haircut, or if you want to have this haircut, or if you want to know how to style this haircut even though you don't have this haircut, please watch this video. Link of this wig will be down description box below, yada yada yada. It's time for the video. Water. Styling spray wax. We're going for kind of a messier look today, if you didn't realize. Today's inspiration comes from Nyan. She has this exact same haircut in her picture, and I decided I'm gonna go ahead and try it because she absolutely owned it. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna put my own spin on it because I do like to get creative with some stuff. I already like this so much, but why is this side so much bigger? I already have my base makeup done, so we're going to jump straight into eyes. Let's pull this up. Gotta get these bangs out of the way. Starting with Toasty from my Sigma Warm Neutrals palette, and then continuing with Henna in my transition. That is just to simply start building up a color in my crease and slowly darkening it up. With my Urban Decay Heat palette, I'm going in with Ashes. This I'm going to be focusing it on my outer V, my outer kind of corner. With a flat brush, I'm going to be going in with Bittersweet, this golden metallic shade, straight into the center of my lid. The smaller brush, I'm going in with Bittersweet, again just in the underneath part of my inner corner. Time to darken everything up. Starting with Nyx Epic Ink Liner. Roche Posay Black Pencil Liner. Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, obviously. Jennifer Lopez and Inglot Bronzer. Iris Beauty Eyebrow Pencil. NYX Eyebrow Marker. Jennifer Lopez Bronzer. If I were Cleopatra and I was living in Egypt, I have a feeling I would be just a bit tan and freckled. Jlo and Inglot Living the Highlight. Highlight. My fave highlighter at the moment. The tip of the nose, about a centimeter away from the nose upwards. On top of the lips, the Cupid's bow. Finally, we're sealing it off quite a bit dramatic with MAC's Chocotease liquid lipstick. Final setting spray. That'd be a cute Cleopatra. Final step to this look is just to be confident. Seriously, just go out and have fun. Nobody actually cares. I love this look. Nothing more to say. I love it. I love the way it makes me feel. I love the way it makes me look. That's the way it makes me feel like I can accomplish everything, you know? The minute your like exterior is perfect or like made to look badass, I immediately feel a lot more invincible. I feel like if I go out to a meeting like this, I could like own it, but if I wouldn't look like this, I would like stutter and stuff. This is the look. It's actually better than I hoped. I actually love this. Oh, what if I wear the hair like this? It's too short. No. If I had this haircut, this is probably the look that I would always go for. Maybe not quite this extreme or quite this bold, but along the lines of. I also really love this waved textured feel because I think it's just amazing. I hope you like this look because this was, after all, for you guys. You guys were recently really obsessed with my banged bob look. This is not that wig, but it's very similar. So I thought maybe I could do kind of like a styling video on if you decide to get that hairstyle, that haircut. Actually, more than anything. I think the dark eyes, the dark lips, and the dark hair really complement each other. So that's why I decided to go for all three all at once. Everything is going to be down in the description box below because I used a lot of nice cool products today, so if you want to know where I got them from, it's going to be down below. I was going to add in the black lenses to my eyes, but I decided that I did not need it. So the wig is by Perfect Lace Wigs, obviously, as always. Link of that will also be down in the description box below. That is all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will sincerely give this a go, and I will see you in my next video.